Vegetables to grow in summer season. Hi viewers, today we will discuss that which vegetables are to grow in summer season. Summer season vegetables are different from winter season vegetables because these vegetables need warm soil and high temperature for healthy growth. Summer season vegetables are required a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of full sunlight daily. I welcome you in my YouTube channel Gardening Aim. These all vegetables are grown just after end of cold weather. I will grow these by tomorrow and will enjoy vegetable throughout the summer season. I also recommend these vegetables for you to grow in upcoming hot season because these plants give more fruits and for long time also. Before starting we separate these by categories of vine and plants. Vines or climbing plant seeds are directly planted at final place, but plant seeds are grown in seedling trays and then transplanted at final place. In vine category, first of all I have bitter gourd, a very tasty vegetable. I love to eat bitter gourd. Next is round calabash or round bottle gourd. These are from same family as it is round in shape, but next one is long in shape, so it is called long bottle gourd. Next is cucumber, and this is long or Armenian cucumber. Last one in this category is Tanya gourd or apple gourd. In plants category I have seeds of okra, a very delicious vegetable. In some countries it is also called lady finger. Next vegetables which I will grow are hot pepper and chilies. Next one is brinjal or eggplant. These are available in different shapes like round and long. This is tomato, also available in different shapes, and this is Spanish, and the last one is capsicum. Now I come to my first recommendation, bitter gourd. This very short-living tropical climber with thin stems can grow up to 5 m in length. Bitter melon produces yellow flowers, male or female, which are pollinated by insects. Bitter tasted fruits are eaten unripe when they are still green or slightly pale. They have delicate skin and can be eaten after cooking. Inside there are large seeds. Now I am going to open this pack for showing the seeds. Seeds can be purchased online or in garden shops. You can also use seeds you get from ripe yellow fruits. Purchased seeds are chemically treated to protect from insects. Now I will make these seeds ready for planting tomorrow. Soaking seeds for 12 to 16 hours in water before sowing will help to increase germination rate, so I am making arrangements for that. To protect them from mixing with other seeds I am writing its name with date on the seedling cup. My second recommendation, round bottle gourd. This fruit is harvested young and used as a vegetable. It has a light green smooth skin and a white inner flesh. Usually the round fruits are called calabash gourd. Bottle gourd cubes are used mainly in cooking. It is also used for making juice. This vegetable grow best in full sun and require at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Exposure to the sun makes the plant healthy and improve their resistance to pests and diseases. Now I am preparing its seeds for soaking, same as bitter gourd for plantation. My third recommendation, long bottle gourd. It is also very delicious in taste as round bottle gourd is. Long bottle gourd is one of the most productive vegetable crops. It needs a lot of space to spread, can be grown in the container though less productive than in grounds. This very versatile vegetable is full of water, about 92%, and minerals, and keeps your body hydrated. It has lots of health benefits, is easy to grow and tolerant to high temperatures, making it a great vegetable for the summer. Your plant should start flowering within 25 to 30 days of planting. Bottle gourd produces white flowers, about 4 inches in diameter. Bottle gourds should appear within 40 to 50 days of planting. My fourth recommendation is apple gourd or Tanya gourd. It has rounded apple-like shape, fruits not big like other gourds, also called as Indian round gourd, cultivated widely in the parts of South Asia as an annual crop. If you live in a tropical or subtropical area, grow it as biannual. No off-season, though special care in summer from heat is required as the plant needs an excess of watering. Use black soil, keep it moist and thoroughly wet near root ball especially. The cucumber is a plant whose fruits are generally consumed fresh, and used primarily in salads. Its crunchy texture and storage of water content make it an ideal addition to any salad. It is also one of the few vegetables which is said to have parthenocarpic varieties, which means that they can give fruit without pollination. They are actually more than 90% water, but are also high in vitamin K and potassium, along with low calorie and fat content. My next recommendation is long or Armenian cucumber. The Armenian cucumber grows approximately 12 to 15 inches long. It grows equally well on the ground or on a fencing. Armenian cucumber plants prefer to grow in full sun for most of the day. Its fruit is very tasty and normally used as main part of salad. Now I come to plant category seeds. These are okra or ladyfinger seeds. It is very delicious vegetable. It gives flowers in 30 to 40 days and start producing plenty of fruits in 40 to 60 days. I will plant these seeds in seedling cup and then transplant after few days to bigger pots. I use a good quality soil for planting vegetables, which comprises 50% garden soil, 25% sand and 25% organic compost. When its plant will gain height of 4 feet, I will cut it from top and side branches will produce more fruits. My next recommendation for the summer season for home garden is hot pepper. These are super productive and excellent candidates for growing in containers. The germination usually takes 1 to 3 weeks, depends on the warmth and humidity. Sow the seeds almost 1/4 inch deep in a seed starting mix. Place seed trays in a spot that is warm, temperature above 15 Celsius is important for germination. Keep misting the seed tray frequently and keep the soil evenly moist. To make germination of seeds easier, cover the seeds with a plastic wrap and keep it in a warm location. Pinching in early growth makes the plant bushier. When the plant is around 6 inches tall, clip the growing tip, which helps it to be more bush type. Next is chili. It is another variety of pepper. Some points we should keep in our mind while growing this plant. Chili plants should never be overwatered as the leaves may turn yellow, indicating suffocation from soggy soil, and they may shrivel up and die if left unchecked. They should be kept in small pots and a general compost should be used for good drainage. During the growth, look out for diseases or infected foliage or branch and remove it too. The brinjal, which is commonly known as the eggplant. These are not only available in different shapes like long and round but also in different colors. Color of its leaves is green with purple shade. Although eggplants are vulnerable to many garden pests, still growing them is easy. They are heat-loving plants and need high temperatures both day and night, thus a suitable summer crop. But if you live in a warm climate, you can grow it year-round. Tomatoes are one of the most loved vegetables, technically a fruit. And why not? They are easy to grow, can be grown in limited space, productive and delicious. Growing tomatoes in containers is also not difficult, but to ensure successful harvest and great flavor, choosing the right tomato variety is essential. When plant gives fruit, it should be supported by stick or by any cage. Spanish is widely used vegetable. It normally grows on bed from seeds. Spinach is one of the most satisfying cool weather crops to grow, producing large yields of vitamin-rich, dark green leaves that are excellent for salads and for cooking. Overcrowding stunts growth and encourages plants to go to seed. Capsicum is one of the most widely cultivated vegetables in the world. For growing capsicum, either directly sow its seeds in the soil or grow its seeds in seedling tray or cups before transplanting the seedlings in big pots. Plant the seedlings at a space of about 30 centimeters apart. As the plant starts bearing its fruit, it will need support from short stakes for balance.